Hello, good morning viewers. In this tutorial, I'll show you the geometric proof of trigonometric ratios of some of the special angles. But today I'm going to restrict this discussion based on these three angles, 30, 45 and 60. Now suppose we have an equilateral triangle ABC. An equilateral triangle has equal interior angles. So each one of them is 60 degrees. If you bisect an angle A, it will definitely bisect the line BC equally at the point D, producing an angle of 90 degrees. An equilateral angle again has equal side lengths, and their ratios are 1, 1 and 1. But since this line is being bisected equally, we end up having 1/2. 1/2. Now this angle here becomes 30 degrees each. So now let's call this line ADH. Using Pythagoras theorem, it says that hypotenuse squared, which is 1 squared, is equal to the opposite squared, which is h squared, plus the adjacent squared, which is 1/2 squared. This 1 squared is 1, h squared remains h squared, and if you simplify this, you are going to have 1/4. But we are looking for h, so h now will be equal to 1 minus 1/4, and the h squared will be 3 divided by 4, and h alone will be equal to square root of 3/4, which simplifies to root 3 divided by 2. The reason why we don't have plus or minus here because every length is positive. So it means that this h is root 3 divided by 2. So now we can use this side lengths 3/2, 1/2 and 1 to find the ratios of these special angles 30 and 60. Now let's begin with sine 30. Sine 30 degrees is opposite divided by hypotenuse, and you see we have 30 degrees, this is the opposite and this is the hypotenuse, so 1/2 divided by 1 remains 1/2, so sine 30 is 1/2. Then cos 30 degrees, adjacent divided by hypotenuse, this is the adjacent and this is the hypotenuse, and it will not change this number, so it remains with 3 divided by 2. For tangent, tan 30 degrees is opposite all over adjacent. This is the opposite and this is the adjacent of this angle 30. So we have 1/2 divided by root 3/2. 3 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 1 divided by root 3. And if you rationalize this, you end up having root 3 divided by 3. So this is tan of 30 degrees. Then for 60 degrees, sine 60 degrees is opposite of that angle divided by hypotenuse, which is root 3/2, because 1 will not change the value. Cos 60 degrees will be equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse. This is the adjacent of this angle divided by hypotenuse is to remain the same, 1/2. And tangent of that angle 60 degrees will be equal to opposite all over adjacent. Opposite all over adjacent. Root 3/2 divided by 1/2. And this will give us root 3 alone, because this divided by this is 1 and this divided by this is this. So this is all about them. Let us move now to the ratios of this angle 45 degrees. Suppose we have an isosceles right angle triangle. An isosceles triangle has equal base angles. This angle and this angle is the same, so this is 90. We have the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. We have 90 degrees, remember 90. If you divide them equally, you end up having 45 degrees. And the opposite sides are also equal, therefore their ratios will be 1 to 1. So what is this hypotenuse? We need to find it. If this is A, B, and C, AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. And AC, we don't know, we are looking for that. AC squared equals to AB squared, which is 1 squared, plus BC, which is also 1 squared. So AC squared will be 1 squared is 1 plus 1, all of them equals to 2. Now to find exactly what value is this AC line, we have to take the square root of each side. So AC will be equal to root 2. So therefore this line is root 2. So now let's use this side length to find the ratios of this angle 45. So sine 45 degrees will be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 1 divided by root 2. You need to rationalize this by multiplying it by root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 divided by root 2 is 1 times this way. We have not changed anything, so this time this equals to root 2. And this time this is root 4, and the root 4 is 2. So this is the actual value of sine 45 degrees. So we move to cos 45 degrees. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, so we have the same thing, 1 divided by root of 2. And this is the same thing. If you rationalize this, you end up having root 2 divided by 2. Then the last one is tangent of that angle 45 degrees is opposite divided by adjacent, which is 1 divided by 1 and is equal to 1. So these are the exact values of these ratios of these spatial angles. If you need to justify, you can take your calculator and check whether these values are correct.